Hi everybody and welcome to another episode of Not Another Knitting Tutorial. Here we are changing needles. I'm going back from the thin needle to the thick needle. I made a bit of a mistake and I cut the white wool a little bit too short. So I also couldn't find my scissors, so I had to use pliers. So it was very difficult to tie the knot, but I managed and I've knitted my first 2 stitches. Obviously it's going to be very tight because I'm moving from a thin needle to a thick needle, but it just means that I've got to move everything up as close as I can to the tips without dropping any stitches. So the idea is, I'm gonna knit navy. I've just done the white. I'm gonna knit a little bit more navy again, and then I'm gonna do a strip of yellow because that is the colors for Marin's school uniform, like their flag or their colors or whatever. And the rest of the scarf is navy, and then when we get to the end of the scarf, I will do the stripes again, the white and the yellow. So yeah, I just have to remember that the white is slightly thicker or has more rows than the yellow. So I feel quite nervous. This is my first time knitting an official scarf. So neatness does count. Before it's all just been oogly boos, to keep us warm in the winter. And it doesn't matter what they look like because they don't leave the house, but this one will. So I'm also trying to decide whether or not I'm going to put tassels at the end. We'll see. We'll see how I feel. Okay, wish me luck.